Richard, how important is it for a company like IKEA to have a sustainability strategy?
It's really important that we set a direction, and having a sustainability strategy helps us do that. So, it guides us between now and 2020 and really sets those ambitions, but also it's integrated into the day-to-day decision-making processes. So that really helps us what we do on a day-to-day basis as well.
Now, you've got your IKEA People and Planet Positive strategy for 2020. What is that and what are you hoping to achieve?
It's really quite a simple document, and it goes across 3 key change drivers, and this is where we want to make the big impact and transform our business. So the first one is around creating a more sustainable life for our customers. So that's the products that save them energy, water and waste, and also at an affordable price. The second is around our resource and energy independence. So that's very much our sustainability foundation, the stores, how we power them with renewable energy, saving energy, water and waste. But it's also around our supply chain. So the big products that we do use, for wood and cotton, for example, to make sure they're coming from sustainable sources. And then finally, the people and communities. So that's really around the people and communities close to our business to ensure through our iWay supply code of conduct, for example, that they're getting a good deal too.
Let's talk about practical ways IKEA is reducing energy waste and other forms of waste. And what are you doing on renewables? Tell us about some of the practical things you're doing.
Yes, so renewables is a big one for us. So we've recently retrofitted something like 20,000 panels across all the roofs of our stores. And all new stores will be built with them already integrated. So that's big savings there, but also we're switching the internal lighting, the commercial lighting in our stores to LEDs. And that matches what we've done for our customer perspective. So all the lights we sell in the store now are also LEDs. So big savings there on energy and waste.
Tell us about the IKEA Sustainability Product Scorecard. What does that mean for IKEA?
Yeah, so this focuses on our products. And it's the tool we use to redesign all our products from the inside out. So many of the favourites might not change as you look at them from year to year, but it's what we've done internally with them. So it's the processes, the materials, how we manufacture, how we design, how our suppliers power their factories, and the waste products that potentially we can use for other products again. So it's a scorecard. Each product is rated and it has to meet a minimum standard, otherwise back to the drawing board.
Tell us about your biggest focus currently when it comes to sustainability. What is that?
So our focus is very much here in Australia. It's around engaging our customers. So we have these fantastic products and we've developed something brand new in Australia from an IKEA perspective, which is our sustainability shop, which is the shop within a shop almost. So we have 30 products there at a family member price to really lower the barrier around sustainability. Products we're really proud about, but really help Australians save at home.
Now, how are you working with your suppliers to improve environmental outcomes and to improve bottom line outcomes?
Yeah, this is really important. We can't do this on our own. So, our suppliers here in Australia are key, especially our waste service providers, but also a lot of the staff that we employ through our security and for cleaning services. So it's really important we work with them through our iWay standard. And that sets the minimum requirements around how we engage with our suppliers, environmental outcomes, the hours, the labour, making sure they get a fair deal as well.
And for companies just getting into this space now, what advice would you give them for those people just starting out?
I would say, look at the opportunities. That's what sustainability brings to you. So by having a bold statement, by having a really good understanding of where you want to be, and then following that through day-to-day process, that can really make a big difference. But start to look at the bottom line, look at the savings you can make. And from that can really help your business. It can really help you with the discussion internally once you can see some savings.